Let's take a journey through the fascinating process of how plants become fabric. It all starts here, in the fields, where nature provides us with the raw materials. Cotton plants grow under the warm sun, their fluffy white bolls ready for harvest. Farmers carefully pick the cotton by hand, gathering the soft fibers that will soon be transformed into something we wear every day. Once harvested, the cotton is separated from its seeds in a process called ginning. These soft fibers are what will eventually be spun into thread. In some regions, flax plants are grown instead. The long, green stems of flax are soaked in water and laid out in the sun, a step called retting, which softens them to extract strong, durable fibers used to make linen. Next comes the spinning process. The cotton or flax fibers are carefully twisted into thread or yarn using traditional spinning wheels. This step requires great skill and patience. In the past, people would spin by hand with a spindle, and today, we can still find artisans using these age-old techniques. Now, it's time to weave. On looms, threads are woven together to create fabric. The weaver uses a shuttle to guide the thread, creating intricate patterns and sturdy cloth. Whether the loom is modern or traditional, the rhythmic movement of the threads is mesmerizing as the fabric slowly takes shape before our eyes. Once woven, many fabrics are dyed to bring vibrant colors to life. In large vats, natural dyes from plants and minerals are used to give the cloth beautiful hues, like deep indigo blues or rich saffron yellows. After dyeing, the cloth is hung up to dry in the wind, the colors shining brightly in the sun. And finally, we arrive at the last step. The freshly woven fabric, now soft and colorful, is ready to be cut and sewn. Tailors measure and cut the fabric carefully, using patterns to create everything from clothing to household items. What began as a simple plant in a field has now become something both beautiful and useful. This ancient process has been passed down through generations, connecting us to the earth and to the craft of making fabric. The next time you feel the softness of cotton or the cool smoothness of linen, remember the incredible journey it took, from plant to cloth.